So are you missing out on the all-important link option inside of your descriptions on your long-form videos? As you can see here, this is one of my videos, and in the description I have this blue highlighted link, which when I click it, opens up to a downloadable free gift that I'm giving away in my description. Now, one of my clients who's just joined my Social Video Club membership, I had a little audit on her channel, and we noticed that none of the links in their description were clickable. As you can see, this one here, it's not lit up blue, and whenever I click it, it's not going anywhere. What we're missing here is that all-important HTTPS, which is a security certificate that all websites have to have. So when you come back to my YouTube channel description, you can see that it's the HTTPS that is missing from Sarah's description on her YouTube channel. So once they correct that, all of the clickable links inside of the descriptions will work. If we go back to one of the videos that I know they have updated and we click on the description, you can see that by adding this HTTPS, the link is now blue, and when you click on it, it takes you to their offer that they are trying to promote via their YouTube video. So if you have any questions about how to add that to your description, how to do these changes, then drop them in the comments below. My name is Anita Wong. Thanks for watching this video. Do give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about using video on YouTube to enhance your visibility. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.